If you want to disable the Google Feed page on the home screen on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then unfortunately there is no dedicated button or option that would allow you to just simply remove the page from the screen, as it is available on some other Android devices. And there are two things that you can do to somewhat get rid of the feed page. The first option is to tap on our Google account in the upper right corner, and then over here we can go to settings. Once we open settings, choose other settings in here, and then you can disable this discover option. This allows you to turn off the news page. You don't have any feed, but of course the page itself is still there, so you can still swipe to go here. And if you want to completely get rid of it, there is an option to do so, but it is a little bit inconvenient to do, to use that method. So if we open settings and go to apps, and then over here we're gonna go to the app management, and then we can search for the Google app. What you can do is you can disable Google app. There we go. Enter your screen lock password in order to confirm. And now if we go back to the home screen, as you can see, the news page is gone. However, as a result, since the Google app is disabled, we also lose access to certain Google features, like for example, the search bar is gone, the Gemini and circle to search features might also not work properly. But if you re-enable the Google app, then of course, as you can see, the Google Feed page is still missing. You still cannot go there, it's still disabled. And of course, you now have access to all of these different features. You can once again use them. However, the drawback is that if you, for example, restart your phone, or maybe if some time passes, then the news page will be back. The Google Feed page will be once again reactivated. So you will have to go to the settings and disable the Google app again. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.